It's your boy Jay Will back with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to set up a new campaign, a new product. The last video I posted yesterday was another campaign I set up with a different product. Both make $100 a day. You can use this product too. All right, we're going to swing to the ClickBank Marketplace. The product we're going to promote today is called Revision. Go ahead and grab your link. Tracking link right here. Copy that. All right, you're gonna swing over to ClickMagick. I already have my link in, so when you go in, you place your link right here, paste it in there, and hit Save Changes. You can name it Revision. Okay, we're gonna swing over to Microsoft and create a new campaign. Visit to my website. Search ads. And I'm gonna also need you guys to stay tuned because I'm gonna show you guys results that this campaign actually works. Revision, name it. Do $100 a day. You leave United States and Canada, uncheck this, save and go to the next check. Okay, your name is ad group Revisions. But I'm going to my keyword tool. I'm going to use these 3 keywords. I'm going to do exact match and phrase match. Copy these. Put these up in here. Save and go to the next step. Okay, got to create the ad. Come on. Put Revision, brain, and eye health. $90% off the day only, and free shipping. Swing over to ClickMagick. Gonna grab our tracking link. Copy that. Paste that in the tracking template. Slash. Gonna put query stream. Close that. That's how it should look. Swing on over to my Google Documents file. Gonna grab this description. Copy that. Paste that in the first bar. Copy this, and you can pause the video to grab these exact words if you need to. I know I'm moving kind of fast. Copy this, put it in the second one. Bow. What we're gonna do is grab this link, just put it over here to grab this web page. Bow. Copy that, put that in a mobile URL, also in the final URL, and bow, save and complete. Go to the next step. Let's start our bet off at about $5. Come down here, add distribution, being at ALL only, ad is complete. Okay, now that we got the campaign set, let me stroll up back to ClickBank. Let me show you guys. Got the sale today off them very keywords, that very ad. As you can see, today is September 27th, Monday. Revision, so you guys see it came from that product. The proof is in the pudding. I have nothing to hide. One sale, $105. Easy. I showed you guys the results. Let me show you how many clicks I received today on this ad to make $100. Literally. One impression, one click, 100% click-through rate. Let's see how much money I spent today. 8 cents. Converted into a $100 sale. I literally paused the ad after I made the sale. Just imagine if I let the ad run. I could have made at least 3 to 4 sales today. Easy. But I'm giving you guys this campaign for free. So in the meanwhile, like, subscribe, comment, follow me on Instagram at JWillTV. You guys have a good night.